Hello my dear student, welcome to our CLE Degree College YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to discuss some other problems which are appeared in your previous examination. Okay, so here under 2018 question paper the 15 marks question will be appeared under that which is related with the operating cost sheet. Okay, let's see what information will be given and how it will be solved. A transport service company is running 4 buses between two cities which are 50 miles apart. A transport service company is running 4 buses and which is having the distance will be 50 km from the two cities, between two cities. The sitting capacity of each bus is 40 passenger. The following particulars were obtained from their books for the month of April. This is also same question which are appeared, means I have already solved in my previous class. Okay, here little bit some cost will be changed only. Wages of drivers, conductors, cleaners, the amount will be 1,20,000. Salaries of office staff, amount will be 50,000. Diesel and other oils, 2 lakh. Repairs and maintenance will be 40,000. Taxation and the insurance, the amount will be 80,000. Depreciation, 1,30,000. Interest and other charge, 1 lakh. So all these information which is related to the preparation of the operating cost sheet. Actual passengers carried were 75% of the sitting capacity. All the 4 buses run on all the days of the month. Means all the buses run on all the days for the month of April only. Each bus made 1 round trip per day. 1 round trip means the total trips will be 2. Find out cost per passenger mile. Passenger mile is nothing but the passenger kilometer only. So first step now we have to calculate here passenger kilometer. So passenger kilometer na yav riti calculation martivi? The number of buses into distance into number of trips into capacity of each bus into number of days into actual capacity utilized. Okay, so number of buses will be, they are given already. The transport service company is running 4 buses. Okay, and which is having the distance between two cities will be 50 miles apart. Number of buses 4, distance 50 km and trips will be 2. ಎರಡಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು 1 round trip ಅಂದಾರ, so that is to be multiplied by 2 only into 40 passenger means 40 seats ಇರುವಂತ ಒಂದು passenger sitting capacity ಇರುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಬಸ್ ಅದಾವ. Each bus is having sitting capacity is 40 passenger into 30 means they have told all the buses are run all the days of month of April only. So April ಒಳಗ 30 days ಇರ್ತಾವ, so that's why we taken there 30 days into 75% means the actual capacity utilized is 75%. So the total passenger kilometer will be 3,60,000. This is the first step for the calculation of the cost per passenger kilometer. Second step ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಶೀಟ್ ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಶೀಟ್ ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು 3 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್, maintenance charge and third one is the running charge. Okay, so let's prepare the operating cost sheet, taken into consideration all the information. So operating cost sheet ಒಂದು 2 columns ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Standing charges will be first one wages of drivers, conductors and cleaners. ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಿ 1,20,000. So wages of drivers, conductors, that is coming under the standing charges only. Then next, salaries of office staff. Salaries of office staff is 50,000. Next one, diesel and other oils, that is coming under the running charges only. Diesel and other oils is nothing but the lubricating oils alla bartava, that is coming under the running charges. Repairs and maintenance, that is under the maintenance charge only. Next one, taxation and the insurance, that is coming under the standing charges only. Taxation and insurance. Taxation and insurance amount will be 80,000. Next, depreciation amount will be 1,30,000. Next, interest and other charges. Interest and other charges 1 lakh. Here the standing charges will be over. Next one, second one part, repairs and maintenance. Repairs and maintenance ಒಳಗ one information ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, that is repairs and maintenance only. The amount will be 40,000. Next, see running charges. Running charges ಒಳಗ ಒಂದು ಡೀಸೆಲ್ and other oils. Diesel and other oils will be here. Third one part coming under, that is running charges only. Running charges ಒಳಗ diesel and other oils ಬರ್ತದ. Diesel and other oils, that is amount will be 2 lakh. Okay, so the total operating cost will be total operating cost. So total operating cost 7,20,000. So in this way we have to calculate the total operating cost under the operating cost sheet. Okay, ಇದಾದ ನಂತರ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸೆಂಜರ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸೆಂಜರ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು total cost will be 7,20,000 divided by total passenger kilometer, that is 3,60,000. So cost per passenger mile or cost per passenger kilometer will be rupees 2. So in this way we have to calculate the cost per passenger kilometer. This question is appeared in the under the 2018 question paper, 15 marks question nalli appear agada. And in next class I will solve some other problems which are appeared in your previous examination. Okay, thank you.